How do I set a turn-off schedule on my Honeywell thermostat?
Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to set a turn-off schedule on your Honeywell thermostat. This process can be a game changer when it comes to managing your home's temperature efficiently and saving on energy costs.
Identify your thermostat model.
Before we dive in, it's important to identify which model of Honeywell thermostat you're using. Different models might have slightly different interfaces, but the overall steps are generally similar. Check the back of your thermostat or your user manual to find the model number.
Accessing your thermostat's menu.
Let's begin with accessing your thermostat's menu. 1. Locate the thermostat on your wall. It usually has a digital interface. 2. Press the Menu button to access the main menu. On some models, this might be a System button.
Navigating to the schedule settings.
Now, we'll navigate to the schedule settings. 1. Scroll down using the arrow keys until you find the Schedule option. 2. Press the Select button to choose this option.
Setting a turn-off schedule.
Here's the main part, setting a turn-off schedule. 1. The Schedule menu will typically display a list of days of the week. 2. Choose the day you want to set a turn-off schedule for by pressing Select. 3. Scroll down to the time you wish to set the thermostat to turn off and press Select. 4. Adjust the time using the arrow keys and press Select to confirm. 5. Next, set the desired temperature for that period by using the arrow keys and press Select again to confirm. 6. Repeat this process for each time of the day and each day of the week you want your thermostat to turn off.
Saving and exiting the schedule settings.
Lastly, it's essential to save your settings. 1. After setting your schedules, press the Done or Save button to ensure your changes are stored. 2. You can then exit the schedule settings by pressing the Back or Return button. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've now set a turn-off schedule on your Honeywell thermostat. This will allow you to have a more comfortable living environment while also saving energy. If you have any further questions, consult your user manual or contact Honeywell's customer service. Thank you for watching, and remember, managing your home's temperature efficiently is one step towards a more sustainable lifestyle.